Good evening, everyone. We are happy to launch our first Sustain Talk of Sustain and Save. Sustain and Save is a company started on the Earth Day, 22nd April 2020, during the lockdown, by the Shroff sisters and also a brilliant group of young change makers who are helping in day in, day out. We wish to create awareness about sustainability and circular economy. We wish to promote green products, sustainable initiatives, and inspiring stories of those working on the same. Today, we have with us a powerful couple, Ashwini and Yogesh Shinde of Bamboo House, who are going to share their journey. We talk about buy local, be vocal, and these are our local producers, and we want to be vocal for them. They believe that let's change the perception of a poor man's timber to a sustainable lifestyle or a wise man's used timber. They work not for the income, but for the cause. We have Sir, who left his highly paid package in Germany to come to Pune and start on his own. There are 150 million bamboo toothbrushes being manufactured every month. Sir, we would love to know your journey, how you started in 2016, and what was your motivation. Once we have you, sir, the next question goes for ma'am, and then we'll take it forward. We'll have questions for each one of you all, and then we'll do a rapid fire fun question as well.
Yeah, I'm just saying, first of all, congratulations for your company, Shop
Thank you.
Systems, and the entire your team, Sustain and Save. You're doing amazing work to promote or to encourage entrepreneurs like us. And okay, so about our journey, we launched this company called as Bamboo India. The thought was started way back, but the official date is 15th August 2016 because we just want to give India the next freedom from plastic. So that is why the date was purposely selected. And since
So
then,
Independence Day was when you all started. Very nice. Great.
so the aim is very simple. Like we just want to reduce the plastic waste with innovative bamboo products because when we started thinking of doing something for some farmers. That time, bamboo came in front of us like a surprise in disguise, and so we saw the potential like bamboo can replace the plastic, and then we started lots of products, and since 2016 till date, we successfully managed to reduce more than 1 million kilogram of plastic waste coming to the market because of our products. So that is the reason we started the company, and now we are into good hands. Now we have a good powerful team of man force in Pune, and we are spread across 18 countries globally. We are supplying to 18 countries regularly. We covered around more than 2200 pin code numbers within India, and so we have a strong base of around more than 24,000 customers. So this is the journey, and around 2200 farmers are directly associated with us with their bamboo.
Wow,
Yeah.
sir, that's very impactful. I think the numbers always speak for an entrepreneur. आणि तुमचे numbers नक्कीच are very inspiring. Ma'am, I think I was just listening to your lovely love story, and it's always the power of two. When two people, they all both are art students, you all met together in college, and you all started this lovely company. So I think Sir has a presentation, but I would love to know what are your milestones and products that you have done during the company. So if you could give me details on your milestones and products along with the presentation, that would be really great. So how many products you have? What are your milestones?
So I think it's better. I will just share my screen and show all the products. So that would be more impactful, I guess.
Perfect. Sure.
So that so we started with the bamboo speaker first. So I will just so this is the bamboo speaker which we started with. Then so we have lots of other products like bamboo toothbrush, bamboo planters, bamboo straws, bamboo notepad with bamboo pen. desk organizer, then bamboo comb, bamboo soap case holder, earbuds, and a tongue cleaner. So those are the products uh, which is very common for us.
Great. Wow.
And
That's a wide range of variety of products here in bamboo. It's very aesthetically looking very nice. So it's beautiful. Okay. So I think maybe sir, you wish to explain this part as well?
yeah, so this is our factory. Uh, so
Wow.
this is my team. So we have currently 26 employee directly working with us, and so as I told you, so we have more than 150 employees indirectly associated with us, and more than 2200 farmers are directly linked to us to supply the bamboo and the pre-processing activities. This is our product. Obviously, already showed you. This is our website, www.bambooindia.com. The
Great.
same handle available on Twitter as well as Instagram.
Right.
And these are the milestones that we talked about. So we saved more than 1 million kilogram plastic waste. We reached uh, 18 countries so far, 24,000 plus customers we have, and the farmers which we have associated with. So this is the journey of a company. So we started 2016. uh, in 2017, we started up our offline store as well. In 2016, we only limited to online platform only, like Amazon and bamboo.com. In 2018, sales growth uh, uh, pick up very good rate. Then the first milestone which we thought in 2016 to save 1 lakh kilogram plastic waste. म्हणजे आम्हाला असं वाटत होतं की 1 लाख किलोग्रॅम प्लास्टिक आपण कमीत कमी वाचवलं पाहिजे ह्या पूर्ण प्रोसेस मध्ये. आणि ते टार्गेट आम्ही फर्स्ट क्वार्टर ऑफ 2018 मध्येच कम्प्लीट केलं. आणि वी गॉट अप्रिसिएशन फ्रॉम युनायटेड नेशन्स.
Wow. Yes,
they
you've been
invited us.
appreciated by Narendra Modi ji with Nitin Gadkari sir. So I think your accolades are brilliant. So that's something I would want to talk as well later. Yes.
Yeah, and then you can see we sign up a MOU with world's biggest oral care company in 2019, and we set up a plant in Pune. And now in 2020, we started our production. We are now focusing on more of a domestic market, and the biggest milestone, that is, we saved 1 million kilogram plastic waste by end of first week of this year.
Wow.
Then yeah, and these are our current capacity. You can see the factory and the machines and the finished products.
Wow, so that's extremely inspiring actually. Wow, it's I think
Yeah.
a very clean setup. Being into manufacturing myself, I think the production line is very neat and nice. Sir, ma'am, I would want to ask you about the financial problems. I think finance is one of the biggest issues when you start a company or entrepreneur. So, can you talk about the problems that you faced in your journey in terms of money, and how have you all as a team overcome this? It will be really interesting to get your perspective on financial matters.
ऍक्च्युली आम्ही बरेचसे फायनान्शियल प्रॉब्लेम्स फेस केलेले आहेत. जेव्हा एखादा बिझनेस सुरू करायचा म्हटलं तर फर्स्ट इश्यू हाच असतो की फंडिंग, किंवा आपल्याकडे जो फायनान्स आहे तो खराच तितका पुरेतो का. मग त्यासाठी आपण फंडचे इश्यू ऑप्शन शोधायला लागतो, जसं की बँकेतून लोन मिळेल का वगैरे. बट बाकीचा बिझनेसचा जसा लोन इझिली मिळतं तसं बांबूच्या बाबतीत आम्हाला एक्सपिरियन्स खूपच बॅड आलेला आहे. आम्हाला कुठल्याच बँकेने सपोर्ट केलेला नाहीये त्या बाबतीत लोनसाठी सुरुवातीला. आता जेव्हा कंपनीचं नाव झालंय तेव्हा बँक अप्रोच करतायत, बट इनिशियली जेव्हा आम्हाला गरज होते तेव्हा तेवढा आम्हाला सपोर्ट नक्कीच नाही मिळालेला आहे. मग असंच फंड गोळा केले, कोणी इन्व्हेस्टर्सना घेऊन वगैरे मग सुरू केले सगळं.
म्हणजे अंकित, आय एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू वन थिंग की आम्ही ज्यावेळेस मी पहिला प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट घेऊन मी गेलो होतो बँकेकडे, तर त्यांनी चेष्टा मस्करी केली. ते म्हणले तुम्हाला माहिती आहे का बांबू कशासाठी वापरतात? अँड देन ते म्हणतात माहिती आहे का बांबू लावणं प्रकार काय असतो, किंवा पीपल टॉकिंग लाईक दिस.
बांबूच्या फक्त टोपल्या आणि शिडी व्यतिरिक्त लोकांना कुठले प्रोडक्ट्स आहेत ते इंडियामध्ये ऍटलीस्ट खूपच कमी लोकांना माहिती होतं.
सो ट्रू. म्हणजे मला पण बॅम्बूची शिडीच पहिले गोष्टी.
एक्झॅक्टली. हा, तर हे प्रोडक्ट तुमचे चालतील का मार्केटमध्ये, आम्ही लोन दिले तर ते आम्हाला रिटर्न कसं मिळेल, हे क्वेश्चन्स त्यांचे आम्हाला जास्त फेस करायला लागलेले आहेत.
आणि कसं होतं की सुरुवातीला जेव्हा तुम्ही कुठला बिझनेस करता, तुमचा फोकस खूप क्लिअर असतो की एक व्हिजन असतं, एक मिशन असतं, तुमचे एम्प्लॉई असतो, तुमचे रेग्युलर एक्सपेन्स असतात. ते मॅनेज करायचं का फायनान्सरच्या मागे पडायचं, हा आमचा मागे खूप मोठा प्रश्न होता. ज्यावेळेस आम्ही बँकेला अप्रोच करायला सुरुवात केली की किंवा फंड रेझिंगसाठी बऱ्याचशा ऍक्टिव्हिटी अरेंज केल्या, पण काही आम्हाला रिस्पॉन्स नाही मिळाला. कारण मी स्वतः बांबूच्या एवढ्या वस्तू बघितल्या होत्या परदेशामध्ये. आता जस्ट व्हाय बांबू, पीपल आर आस्किंग टू क्वेश्चन्स व्हेरी कॉमन. व्हाय बांबू अँड बांबू कटिंग डिफॉरेस्टेशन होईल का? These are the very two basic questions people always ask. If you start using bamboo in all products, so you are cutting the jungle. So this is what people are asking.
So what is the answer for this? I'm actually curious. Why bamboo and what is the effect? I think मला पण curiosity आलीच आहे. So if you could give me a quick answer for this, would be really great.
ऍक्च्युली जेव्हा 2011 मध्ये योगेशचं डोक्यात खूप चाललं होतं की आपण स्वतःचा काहीतरी बिझनेस स्टार्ट करावा. कारण तो ऑलरेडी 10 to 12 इयर्स जॉब करून कंटाळलेला होता, त्याला स्वतःचं काहीतरी इनिशिएट करायचं होतं. बट आम्हाला कळत नव्हतं की एक्झॅक्टली काय करायचं, कारण आम्हाला काहीतरी वेगळं करायचं होतं, कॉमन थिंग कोणती करायची नव्हती. सो मीनवाईल वी केम टू अक्रॉस बांबू. आमचं जेव्हा फार्म हाऊसचं कन्स्ट्रक्शन चाललं होतं तेव्हा आम्ही बघितलं की आमच्या आजूबाजूला बांबूची खूप सारी बेट आहेत.
ओके.
ज्याचा उपयोग खूपच कमी केला जातो. गावकऱ्यांना बांबूचा यूज ही ऑब्व्हियसली फार लिमिटेड मध्ये माहिती होता, त्यामुळे तो यूज होतच नव्हता म्हणावा तसा. तो योगेशनी त्याच्यावर बराच विचार केला की आपण एक्झॅक्टली याच्यातून काय इनिशिएट प्रोडक्ट करू शकतो. आणि मग त्या दृष्टीने त्यांनी रिसर्च केला, बराच स्टडी केला, बऱ्याच ठिकाणी जाऊन बघून आला वेगवेगळे प्रोडक्ट्स. त्यातून त्याला कळलं की बांबू टूथब्रश ही एक अशी वस्तू म्हणजे जनरली जी डेली यूज मध्ये असं आम्हाला काहीतरी हे करायचं होतं.
Wow.
So त्यांनी
why bamboo? Actually, I think I've read about it. It's called a wonder glass, and it's very, I mean, the tensile strength, the properties of bamboo are very exceptional and can be used for a multiple त्याची strength capacity खूप. So I agree, the bamboo is available in India abundantly. We are the second highest producers of bamboo. So I think India should use opportunity. I mean, when you have such an important resource, why not convert it into an opportunity? So I think, sir,
actually same thing happened ki जेव्हा मी स्टडी सुरू केला, that time I realized ki India is world's second largest bamboo growing country.
Correct.
And till 1986 we were number one. But
Correct.
after 1986 China take over, and then we became number two. But being a number two, we are only contributing 4% to the global bamboo products market.
Wow.
So I think हा खूप मोठा गॅप होता, आणि आय थॉट की आपण ह्या we can overcome this and we can just make sure की आपले प्रोडक्ट ग्लोबली कसे जातील. आणि ऑलरेडी इंडिया इज द we are not in top 5 also for the bamboo exporters of the world. So I thought की bamboo is the right person, right crop. आणि जसं जर्मनीमध्ये we saw beer culture is very famous. Why beer culture is famous? Because their major potential crop is barley, and they convert the barley into beer culture.
Correct.
In France, they also did the same thing. What they did, they convert grapes into wine culture. I thought, why not in India we start a bamboo culture?
Very.
So that was the intention. Yeah, and in India, म्हणजे मी असं नेहमी माझ्या भाषणामध्ये सांगतो की भारताच्या शेतकऱ्यांपाशी दोन गोष्टी खूप कॉमन असतात. एक तर पांढरा ड्रेस. You can go anywhere in India. Every farmer has at least one pair of white cloth,
Correct.
white shirt or white pant, and one bamboo brew in his farm or nearby his farmhouse. He already has the culture.
Correct.
And if you see lots of our festival we use bamboo, especially Maharashtra. गुढी पाडवा आपण कुठल्या स्टीलच्या रॉड मध्ये किंवा अल्युमिनियमच्या रॉड मध्ये गुढी उभारत नाही, आपण बांबूच वापरतो.
Wow, so true.
The first welcoming the new year. So that is what I said ki, so let's start the new culture in India with bamboo. And regarding deforestation, as you correctly said, bamboo is a wonder grass, right? So when you say wonder grass, so it is it's a grass, it is not a tree. In 2006, thanks to Mr. Narendra Modi and government, they removed the classification bamboo as a tree and convert it into grass. So now anyone can grow bamboo, anyone can cut bamboo, anyone can transport the bamboo. They don't need a forest department permission. So that is the best decision what government of India took in 2016, and that is a great boost to Indian bamboo sector, and all the farmers would be very delighted to or they are waiting for this decision since independence. आता ह्याच्यानंतर बांबूला एक चांगले दिवस येतील, आणि as I said की bamboo is a grass, so it gets mature in just 3 years. It will not take around 15-20 years to grow. In 3 years time or 4 years time it gets mature, and then again if you cut the bamboo it will grow again next year. So that is the beauty of bamboo.
Amazing, sir. Thank you for talking about bamboo. So I think I'm going to now ask our young change maker. So I'm going to put the question for a change maker, Chaitanya More. I would love him to unmute. So you know what we are talking about? A bamboo toothbrush is 120 rupees, but a plastic toothbrush is 20 rupees. There's a huge price gap. So Chaitanya, can I have you live to take this forward, please?
Hello, sir.
Hi Chaitanya.
So माझा प्रश्न असा होता की sir, like toothbrush is expensive. Like being a change maker, we realize the sustainable products are very expensive, right? How can we change the point of view of our customer and anyone who want to buy the sustainable product like toothbrush or anything else? How can we convince them?
So Chaitanya, thank you so much to bring this question. So this is bamboo toothbrush, and yes, you are correctly said ki sustainable products are expensive, but again तुम्ही ते कंपेअर कशाशी करताय खूप महत्वाचं आहे. If you compare with plastic, then not only bamboo toothbrush, all other products it will looks like a expensive, right? Because for plastic is a byproduct. Okay, so there are two aspects to answer this question. So first aspect is don't think only the price point of view, first thing, because when you use a plastic straw just for few seconds, 15 seconds or maximum 2 minutes, after that what happened to that straw? That straw you can see तो लँडफिल मध्ये जातो पुढचे 100 ते 150 वर्ष. So when you say it's a only cost to you, but you are not checking the cost to nature to degrade this product. Same with the bamboo toothbrush. When we started studying, we realized that bamboo toothbrush is world's second largest plastic pollutant product, and no one considers this as a plastic pollution. Everyone says plastic carry bag is a pollution, plastic bottles is a pollution, plastic toys is a pollution, but no one considers plastic toothbrush is a pollution. Even though everyone using everyone start their day with the plastic toothbrush. So we attack a plastic toothbrush and convert into bamboo toothbrush. As far as the brush is concerned, so we started this product 180 rupees initially, but now we glad to say that now this bamboo toothbrush cost only 50 rupees, 50.
Wow.
So it is, yeah.
That's
So now
incredible, sir. I didn't know. I think my numbers were wrong.
so it was, yeah, earlier it was definitely 180, then 160, 120, 80, and now the brush is cost only 50 rupees, is as cheap as your plastic toothbrush. And this all happens because we increase the production, we reduce the transportation cost,
Correct.
And we also got a very good response from the audience, from the consumer side. But again, I'm requesting all of you from this channel. So when you see the price is less or price is high for the sustainable products, then please don't think only the price as per uh, your capacity. All the toothbrush you are using since your childhood are still existing in this planet and making a pollution. Don't you think it's a bad thing? So
True, sir.
even though not only I'm not a devil's advocate, but I'm saying जर तुम्हाला कोणताही सस्टेनेबल प्रोडक्ट थोडा महाग जरी असेल तरी प्लीज डोंट ओनली लुक ॲट द प्राइस. You can see how much efforts that entrepreneurs took so far to bring that product alternative to the pollution, alternative to plastic. So I think that perspective we need to change. And yes, now it's changing. That is very, very important, and people are gladly accepted that. So we are
Yeah.
happy for that.
So you're absolutely right. I mean, today we started this initiative with young change makers for one reason, because the youth are the future of the country, and only if they decide they can create a trend, and we've all platform work. So people like this can actually change and create voice in the country, in the world. So we want these young change makers to make that switch, and we all want to just not only listen about sustainability but take an action. So, sir, you've very nicely spoken about we need to look at the entire value chain of a product, not only the price perspective, but the entire how it's disposed, how it's manufactured. Everything needs to be taken. So I think that's very insightful about you, and it's a lovely thing. We would love to give your bamboo toothbrushes to a few of our change makers, because 50 rupees is a very easy switch. I always tell all my change makers, आपण plastic bag 50 पैशाची आता 10 रुपयाची घेतोच ना, गव्हर्नमेंटनी लॉ टाकला, पण आपण ते स्विच केलंच ना. So I think we can all actually make that switch also to move from not even something which is expensive or cheap, it's the same price. So I think very well said, and it's lovely to know about the cost perspective, because I think it's a myth. We always say that sustainability is expensive, but honestly, it is a lot about economics. It's about mass manufacturing quantity. If the masses are a lot, the price does reduce. So now we're going to go to a fun session. I think we're going to conclude soon. It's going to be a rapid fire session where I am going to ask both of your questions. It's going to be a bit funny, and y'all can have a bit, have fun in this. So, sir, I would love to ask both of y'all, what is the quality of your partner which you admire and respect the most? Who wants to go for this?
We'll go first.
Sir.
The good part of this bamboo entrepreneurship journey, she never disappoint me at any point of time. Whatever responsibility I have given to her, because everyone knows that business is not a one-person job. Even if you see, you can see Ratan Tata, but there are hundreds or thousands of supporters are working for him. So just like जेव्हा आम्ही स्टार्ट केलं हा बिझनेस त्यावेळेस मला खूप फ्रस्ट्रेशन यायचं, बाहेरून मी चिडून घरी यायचो किंवा बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी. बट ऍट होम लेवल शी नेवर डिस्ट्रॅक्ट मी की तू तुझं काम कर, घराची जबाबदारी मी सांभाळते. बिकॉज जेव्हा तुम्हाला रेग्युलर इन्कम सुरू असतो ज्यावेळेस आणि तो अचानक बंद होतो, जेव्हा तुम्हाला एक तारखेला मिळते आणि तुम्ही ते महिन्याभर खर्च करता, त्यावेळेस एक लाईफस्टाईल सोपी होऊन जाते. पण ज्यावेळेस बिझनेस सुरू करतो त्यावेळेस यू नेव्हर नो की 1 तारीख असेल, 4 तारीख असेल का 25 तारीख असेल. टू मॅनेज द मनी विदिन टाइम विदाउट अफेक्टिंग युअर लाईफस्टाईल, युअर चॉईसेस, एव्हरीथिंग. सो दॅट्स वाय आय ऑलवेज सेड की रिझर्व्ह बँकेपेक्षा जास्त फायनान्स हा बायकांकडे असतो, फक्त आपल्याला तो कळलं पाहिजे.
So I think the answer was this is financial sustainability is bought by Ashwini madam, and she is a back end support, which is the most important thing which I was telling. That's the reason I wanted दोघांना इकडे येणं महत्त्वाचं आहे, कारण की एक फेस कधीच नसतो, खूप लोक असतात आणि त्यांना एम्पॉवर करणं हे सगळ्यांना आपल्याला माहित असायला. आणि मॅम, अश्विनी मॅम, what do you think is the quality of sir which you really admire a lot?
ऍक्च्युली त्याच्यामध्ये पॉझिटिव्हिटी खूप आहे. तो कधीच हार मानत नाही. आम्ही जेव्हा बिझनेस स्टार्ट केला तर आम्हाला खूपशा गोष्टी आडव्या आल्या किंवा खूप प्रॉब्लेम्स फेस करायला लागले. बट त्यांनी कधीच हार मानली नाही. त्याने प्रत्येक वेळेस तो पुढे चालत गेला की नाही, आपण ह्याच्यातूनही पुढे जाऊ आणि आणखी काहीतरी चांगलं करून दाखवू. ही
Wow.
त्याची गोष्ट खूप छान आहे. तो नेहमी एकदा पुढे गेला की तो मागे वळून बघत नाही कधी. किती मग पुढे त्याला त्रास हो किंवा किती प्रॉब्लेम्स क्रिएट होत, बट तो कधीच निगेटिव्हिटी मध्ये जात नाही की चला होत नाही ना आपल्याला कोणी. आता इव्हन या बिझनेस मध्ये आम्हाला फायनान्सचे बरेचसे इश्यू आले, आम्हाला कोणी सपोर्ट होत नव्हता. तर त्यांनी कधी अशी हार नाही म्हणली की चल जसा होईल तसं हळूहळू आपण करू. आमच्या घरातल्या बेडरूम मध्ये आम्ही हा बिझनेस सुरू केला.
Wow. Amazing.
मग हे चालू होता. सो ही त्याची गोष्ट खूप छान आहे.
So I think that's every entrepreneur's highlight. Okay, positive energy and hard nahi manna. So quick question, who's the problem solver?
Sorry?
Could you please come again?
Who is the creative person and who is the problem solver?
क्रिएटिव्ह पर्सन योगेश ऑब्विसली.
Finance,
Finance.
problem solver, I think Yogesh sir again. Perfect. I think that's a strategy also. I think Yogesh sir. I think finance is mainly taken by ma'am. That's him. So one word answer. Who is your role model, ma'am?
योगेश शिंदे.
Wow, that's an impressive answer. And Yogesh sir, who is your role model?
राईट फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट मी प्रत्येक गोष्ट म्हणजे बघितलेली आहे जवळ ह्या बाबतीत की एक सर्वसाधारण माणूस चांगला बिझनेसमॅन कसा बनू शकतो हे मी अगदी राईट फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट डे मी स्वतः बघितलेलं आहे, अनुभवलेलं आहे.
Wow.
सो मी म्हणू शकते. बाकीच्यांच्या बाबतीत मी ऐकलेलं असतं, मी अनुभवलेलं नसतं किंवा बघितलेलं नसतं. जे योगेश
Very nice. Very good answer, ma'am. I think that's 10 points. Sir, तुमच्यासाठी who's your role model or someone who you look up to?
ऍक्च्युली तसं बघायला गेलं तर एव्हरी इंडिव्हिज्युअल कस्टमर हू ब्रॉट अवर प्रॉडक्ट इज रोल मॉडेल फॉर अस.
Wow,
कारण
a very
कारण
nice answer.
कारण द आन्सर इज व्हेरी सिम्पल बिकॉज इनिशियली 160 रुपीजचा ब्रश अफोर्ड करणं, इव्हन पैसे सगळ्यांकडे असतात पण नो बडी डेअर्स की यार ब्रशला कशाला खर्च करू. बट आज त्या माणसाने 160 रुपयाचा तो ब्रश घेतला म्हणून आज तो ब्रश 50 रुपयाला अवेलेबल झालाय. ही खूप मोठी जबाबदारी. आणि मी एक एक्झाम्पल देऊ इच्छितो की आम्ही सोशल एंटरप्रिनरशिप मध्ये खूप काम करतो. तर खूप साऱ्या शेतकऱ्यांबरोबर आम्ही काम करत असताना खूप सारे आम्हाला प्रसंग ऐकायला मिळतात, बघायला मिळतात. एक इन्सिडेंट मला आठवतोय. 18 सप्टेंबर 2017 we have a exhibition at Mumbai, one of the school, आणि तिथे आम्ही ब्रशची प्राइस ठेवली होती 99 रुपीज आणि प्रत्येक जण याचा 100 रुपये द्यायचा.
Okay.
आणि नंतर काही वेळाने आमच्याकडची चिल्लर सगळी संपली आणि एक मुलगा आला तर त्यांनी ब्रश घेतला तर मला म्हटला, तर मी त्याला 1 रुपया परत दिला नाही. ही सेट की सर 1 रुपये आहे का. तर मी म्हटलं अरे मित्र नाही आता पैसा माझ्याकडे कारण चिल्लर सगळी संपली. ही सेट ओके नो प्रॉब्लेम. तो म्हणला की मी तुमच्याबद्दल ऐकलंय, तुम्ही शेतकऱ्यांना खूप हेल्प करता, ते हा 1 रुपया त्या शेतकऱ्यांना द्या.
Wow, that's
So it's just like a 4th standard or 5th standard that boy was, and he was so म्हणजे त्यांची मॅच्युरिटी आहे. त्यामुळं I always think ki all the customers, all the 24,000 customers who brought our products, all are really role models because they not only talk but they demonstrate ki yes, this is the power and whatever the company is today, all because of those 24,000 plus role models. That's it.
Amazing. I think I've never heard an answer which is so different about having a role model. I think I always talk about Ratan Tata or someone who's, some businessman, but I think I would want to have this new answer, which is keeping every person a customer their role model, because that is true. These are the guys who've bought in sustainability in their life, and I think they've been the change makers. They've made that switch. So I think that's lovely. Last question, so we'll be concluding soon. I think Chaitanya, I'm going to ask you. So right now we're doing a 21-day live, eat, any move challenge, which talks about sustainability. So we would want to know 5 tips from your end that how are you integrating sustainability in your house or your life. Chaitanya, can you ask the question again, please?
Yes, ma'am. So my question for ma'am. So, ma'am, how do you integrate sustainability in your daily life? Hello.
ऍक्च्युली मी माझा टूथब्रश बांबूचा आहे. त्यानंतर माझे ग्लासेस सनग्लासेस आहेत जे बांबूचे आहेत.
Please unmute everyone. एक second, madam. I think I want. Yeah. Again, please go ahead. Sorry. Bamboo toothbrush. I think we all need to make that change as well.
Yeah. Then bamboo comb.
Wow.
Yeah, we have sunglasses made from bamboo.
Wow, that's pretty impressive. That's like a fashion statement.
So those, then notepad also we have made from bamboo.
So all the Bamboo India products are in house,
Yeah.
and you're living a true
So we
sustainable.
have a pen also which is made by bamboo also. So we use those things in our daily life.
आणि एक I just want to contribute here this question. Sustainability is not only for the good products like toothbrush or sunglasses, or you can also have beer glass made from bamboo.
That's a very fun. That's a very nice one. I think he's got that from Germany. की स्वतःहून tailor made बनवून घेतलं असेल workshop मधून. So that's a very nice product line for you to start. Yeah, we can have personalized bamboo beer glasses, which would be an amazing innovative idea to start off with. So I think that was very inspiring. We've learned so much about your journey, about how useful bamboo is, and we want to spread awareness about how we can contribute. मला पटकन मराठीत दोन, like maybe just snippets, takeaways for young change makers on sustainability मध्ये मराठीत हवे मला, so that we can promote more local and be vocal. Just quickly takeaways in Marathi. Thank you, ma'am. म्हणजे some learnings, your giveaways, takeaways.
ऍक्च्युली सस्टेनेबिलिटी थिंग्स महाग आहेत म्हणून त्याच्याकडे दुर्लक्ष करू नका. त्याचा परिणाम नंतर जाणवेल तुम्हाला. जस्ट प्लास्टिक थिंग्स यूज करून, स्वस्तातले प्लास्टिक थिंग्स यूज करून त्याचा दुष्परिणाम आपल्याला नंतर दिसतील. त्यापेक्षा आता थोडे पैसे एक्सपेंड करून तुम्ही पुढच्या जनरेशन साठी एक चांगले लाईफस्टाईल तुम्ही क्रिएट करून जात आहात.
Oh, that's a lovely takeaway, madam. आणि योगेश सर, तुमच्याकडून काय?
आता मी खूपच बोललोय, पण जाता
दोन वाक्यात आता आपण कन्क्लूड करतो.
Okay, so actually you correctly said की बांबू इज अ पुअर मॅन्स टिम्बर असे सगळेजण म्हणायचे किंवा सगळेजण म्हणतात, बट इट्स नॉट अ पुअर मॅन्स टिम्बर, इट्स अ वाईज मॅन्स टिम्बर. आपल्याकडे एक तो पद्धत आहे की एखाद्या गोष्टीला गरीब म्हटलं की लोक त्याकडे बघत नाही. जस्ट लाईक अ नॅनो कार. नॅनो कार इज अ व्हेरी ब्युटिफुल कार, बट ती फक्त ती गरिबांची कार आहे म्हणून लोक स्टेटस साठी घाबरतात, नाही घ्यायची, मला लोक गरीब समजतील. बट जस्ट तसं बांबूचं नाहीये. बांबू इज अ नॉट अ पुअर मॅन्स टिम्बर. बांबू इज अ वाईज मॅन्स टिम्बर, बिकॉज द फार्मर हू ग्रोज बांबू, त्यांनी ह्याची गरज खूप सुरुवातीला ओळखली होती आणि म्हणून त्यांनी त्याचे प्रोडक्ट्स बनवायला सुरुवात केले. अँड दॅट प्रोडक्ट्स नॉट हार्मफुल फॉर द एन्व्हायरमेंट. सो इट्स अ विन विन सिच्युएशन फॉर द फार्मर, द एंटरप्रिनर अँड द कंझ्युमर अँड द मोस्ट द मदर अर्थ. So
I think that's a lovely end, sir. I think that's perfect. So thank you, Yogesh sir and Ashwini ma'am.